Hi, this is James Gu and welcome back to the QBus 5002 Excel tutorial video series. In this episode, I will demonstrate the two population unknown variance and unequal variance test. Remember, the assumptions of this test are: first, the populations are normal or approximately normally distributed; second, the samples are independent; and third, the population variances are unknown. These assumptions may be stated in the question, or you may test for these assumptions by referring to our earlier episodes on the F-test and the chi-square test of normality. But in order to perform this test, we will use the data analysis function and choose the t-test to sample assuming unequal variance. You may use the equal variance if you know for a fact or if through testing that the variances are equal. First, we will select our first variable and then our second variable. Make sure you tick the label box as appropriate and enter the hypothesized mean difference. We're testing whether the two have the equal mean, so our hypothesis is 0, and this will be our null hypothesis. If we are performing a two-tailed test, that is our alternative hypothesis being the mean of our population A is unequal the mean of population B, that would be a two-tailed test. And if it is a one-tailed test, it will be equal or less than A and B. In order to interpret our results, similarly, if we assume a level of significance at 5%, we can see the p-value for a one-tailed test. We're able to reject our null hypothesis. And similarly, we can see our two-tailed test, also assuming a level of significance at 5%. Our p-value is also less than 5%. Therefore, we can also reject our null hypothesis in a two-tailed test. Thank you for your attention, and we'll see you in the next episode.